The first thing you've got to do is decide where you'd like your leaves and flowers to go. You'll have different shapes of laser cut pieces, depending on which kit you have. I like to get all the pieces out and organize them by size, so I've got a sense of what we're working with. In this example, I've got 4 leaf sizes, and we'll go with the white circles. And one of the hearts has been laser etched on one side with little stitch guidelines. You can follow this pattern if you like, or you can flip the heart over and then you've got a blank slate. Let's have a look at what it might look like to play around with the etched pattern. You can just get your leaves and have a go at adding the leaves and flowers until you find a pattern that you're happy with. Now let's look at a few ideas and tips and tricks for planning a design with a blank heart. I like to think about what direction the vines are growing in. So are they forming a heart shape? Do the vines start at the bottom and grow up? Or does it all start in the middle and then grow outwards? Another thing that you can do is play with symmetry. If you take 2 of the same shapes, you can just flip one over to create symmetrical patterns. Sketching is another really cool tool that you can use for planning your design. You can go ahead and sketch vines onto the paper. Let's just see how this looks, and then you can add some leaves and flowers onto the vine. Or you can also sketch directly onto the felt using a pencil. However you figure out your design, whether you just kind of intuitively pop the pieces on or whether you really carefully plan them out by shape and size, once you've got a design that you're happy with, take a photo. This will come in handy because all of the leaves and flowers are going to shift and move around as you stitch, so it's really, really handy to have a photo to refer back to as you're stitching. And with your design set, it's time to start stitching. You can check out the next video for info about how to stitch your vines and leaves.